Hollow cheeks. The signature look of supermodels, famous actors, and TikTok stars. That sharp jawline and sculpted cheeks that women find irresistibly attractive. But how do you get it? What's the secret behind that chiseled look? In today's video, I'm breaking down the science-backed steps to transform your face and achieve those defined hollow cheeks in just 1 month. And if you stick with me till the end, I'll share a game-changing bonus tip that could change your life, plus a free Google Doc to track your progress. Ready to unlock your full potential? Let's dive in. So I've divided this into 6 steps. Number 1 is my personal favorite. Number 6, sugar. Sugar is one of the worst things you can put inside your body. And I am talking about processed sugar. Natural sugars like jaggery, honey, maple syrup, and fructose are healthy options. But processed sugar is linked to bloating and water retention on the face. The same applies to common table salt. Sodium is very important for the body, but the processed chemically washed salt isn't doing good for you. Go for healthier natural organic options which will remove the excess water and keep you healthy as well. Number 5, buccinator muscles. Now these are your cheek muscles and they are responsible for blowing, sucking, and chewing. These muscles are responsible for your chubby cheeks even at a low BF percentage. And the fix to that would be to stop using them. As simple as that. Stop biting your cheeks. Stop chewing like a goat. Chew properly. Number 4. Now it is not an actual tip but an illusion. Beard. Yes, you heard that right. We men are blessed with beards and beards are a man's makeup. Believe it or not, you can give the illusion of an OG curve by having a light stubble beard. And this will also help you shape your jawline. Number 3, testosterone. The male anabolic hormone is the one responsible for dimorphic features. Dimorphism is the term used to differentiate men from women. For example, the beard is a dimorphic trait, found more in men. So is a prominent OG curve. So you have to increase your free testosterone naturally, because testosterone will decide whether to give you chubby cheeks or a chiseled look. And believe it or not, testosterone is also linked to increasing bone mass. Just like how when a girl starts taking testosterone, and her voice becomes deeper, Roberto, and her face more masculine, the same will happen when you are at optimal testosterone levels. Number 2, skin care and collagen. Now collagen is what makes your skin healthy and makes it glow. Collagen is what is responsible for literally everything in your body, including thick brows and lashes, and even your nails and hair. Having optimal levels will ensure that skin has enough elasticity to wrap around your bones properly. Older people have less collagen. That's why their skin is sagging and filled with wrinkles. Now you can eat good, healthy, whole foods and avoid things like smoking and drinking. But you can also start a skincare routine to make your skin look better and healthier. I won't tell you to spend a lot of money and use toxic products. Instead, I recommend using things like aloe vera and homemade masks. You can find a lot of them on YouTube. Number 1, gua sha and facial massages. Gua sha is a method of using a stone to drain out excess water from your face. It also relaxes the skin and increases blood flow, but it won't show any results if you have no jawline or bones to begin with. It just reveals your underlying structure of the face. But facial massages, on the other hand, are what can actually change your bones. And this is no joke. Carol Maggio released a very interesting and famous book called Facercise. This book covers how you can change the muscle tone in your face with just massages. Unfortunately, she left us on December 28, 2022. But even at the age of 70, she looked so young, and she did so many of these massages that she looked like she had plastic surgery when in reality, she didn't. Link in description. Now, if you are still here, you have my respect, and as promised, I'll give you the game changer bonus tip that will change your face forever for good. But first, if you liked this video, like and subscribe. Now, while I was researching about mewing and chewing, I came across some rather confusing advice. On one hand, I wanted to believe the guy who actually researched about this his whole life, while I also wanted to believe the common people like you and me who had no results. Then one day, my life completely changed. In 2023 March, I was in India for some work, and on my second day I had to visit a big construction site. When I went there, I was completely shocked because all of the poor construction workers had a Chad jawline, and it was interesting to me because it wasn't their genetics. Then I saw a video of this Italian model who was rejected by model agencies because his face was too round. He looks like a PlayStation controller now. But he went from this to this by just doing one thing. Turns out that those construction workers used to chew on some kind of chewing tobacco all day, every day. The Italian model also did the same thing, hard chewing all day. And after researching a lot, I found out that our jaw muscles, or masseter muscles, are skeletal muscles, which in simple words means that they can change the bones if put enough pressure. Now, you may have heard about eating hard foods and the chewing gum method. Eat hard foods that will make your jaw work, but please do whatever you want to do. But don't start chewing on common chewing gums you see in every store. They are filled with chemicals and sugars which will make you look and feel worse in the long term. Go for better natural options like mastic gum. Here's the one I use and it'll last you a long time. Just remember not to overdo it, or you might get jaw issues. Take it slow and chew hard for just 5 to 7 minutes a day. Increase the duration as you build that jaw strength. And to all those who think you will look weird with large masseter muscles if you don't have the bones, well, in that case, you can always grow a beard until you reach your desired goal, which may take months or even years depending on your genetics. Let's quickly summarize it. 1. Avoid processed sugar and salt. 2. Chew properly using your jaw muscles, not the cheek muscles. 3. Grow a beard or a light stubble. 4. Boost your testosterone naturally. 5. Start a skincare routine and boost your collagen naturally. We'll make a video about it in the future. 6. Facial massages and gua sha. 7. Hard chewing for long periods of time. You will also hear a lot of people say that it's all genetics, and it's true to some extent. If you are recessed heavily, this video won't help you much. But if you are not recessed, you can improve a lot. The difference will be day and night. However, there's one important thing I didn't share with you, brothers. You will never achieve hollow cheeks if you don't do this. And it's actually very basic knowledge. Building muscle. Yeah, I understand you already know this. But what you don't know is that building muscle is very easy and a fun thing. Want to know how? Click this video to see how.